Good afternoon, students. Our today's topic is related to the statement in lieu of prospectus. Yesterday we have completed about the prospectus. Today we are going to start statement of in lieu of prospectus. So, bache, what does it mean? So, if public company wants to raise its capital privately, then the public company will issue the statement in lieu of prospectus. If it needs to file a statement in lieu of prospectus at least 3 days before the first allotment of shares, means to say that if public company wants to raise capital publicly, then he will issue prospectus. If that particular company wants to raise its capital privately, means to say that from their known resources, then they will issue the statement in lieu of prospectus, and this will be issued before at least 3 days before the first allotment of shares. So this is called statement in lieu of prospectus. So see beta, there are two types of companies, public company and private companies. So public company, as I told you that public company will issue the prospectus. Okay, so public company will issue the prospectus and statement in lieu of prospectus. So when the public company issue the prospectus, when company wants to raise its capital publicly, then the company will issue the prospectus. If the public company wants to raise its capital privately from their friends, from their relatives, then it will be issued statement in lieu of prospectus. If I talk about the private company beta, then there is no need to required issue of prospectus or any statement in lieu of prospectus, because it is necessary for the public company only, because private company doesn't offer shares to the general public. That's why the prospectus or statement in issue of prospectus is not required in case of private companies. So bache, these are the contents of the statement in lieu of prospectus. These are the contents, because in prospectus there is a detailed information about all the contents. But if I talk about the statement in lieu of prospectus, in this all the contents which are mentioned in the prospectus are included, but in brief. These are not in detail in statement in lieu of prospectus. So these contents are related to the prospectus. Those contents which are mentioned in the prospectus are similar to in statement in lieu of prospectus. So no need to explain, you can read thoroughly.